Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete any saved post in your Instagram account. To delete any saved Instagram post, first what we need to do is access all of the posts that you have saved. So to do so, simply click on these three horizontal lines present at the top right corner of your screen. Then once you have clicked here, you can see this option which says saved. Click here and now you can access all of the posts which you have previously saved in your Instagram account. Then find that particular post that you want to delete. So for example, I want to delete this post right here, and now all you need to do is simply click on this bookmark icon again. Once you will click this, you can say that since it is currently saved, you need to click it again, and here you can see that the icon is now empty. So that means it is no longer saved, and here you can see that our saved folder is now again empty. So that's how you can unsave or delete any saved post from your Instagram account. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.